Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to automate content creation using Perplexity AI. This tool can help you generate high quality content efficiently, saving you time and effort. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply following these steps. The first step is to simply sign up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now get to the top right corner and select API section. Now select docs and then select this get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's content creation features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Define the type of content you want to automate, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, marketing copy, or any other type of text. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your content management system or application. Configure it to generate content based on your specific needs and parameters. Now provide Perplexity AI with prompts or guidelines for the type of content you want to create. This could include topics, keywords, tone, and style preferences. Now generate content using Perplexity AI and review the output to ensure it meets your quality standards. Make any necessary edits to tailor the content to your brand and audience. Now automate the content creation process by setting up triggers or scheduling regular content generation. This can help maintain a consistent content schedule without manual effort. Monitor the performance of your automated content and gather feedback to continuously improve the prompts and guidelines you provide to Perplexity AI. And that's it. By following these steps, you can automate content creation with Perplexity AI, making it easier to generate high quality content while saving time and resources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.